I first tried HeyGen about a year ago for a tutorial I was making for this channel, and honestly, it was already pretty impressive back then. But AI is moving fast, so I recently jumped back in to see what HeyGen is like today. And after using it on a few different projects, honestly, I can say it's improved a lot. So in this review, we'll look at what HeyGen actually is, and I'll give you a live demo so you can see exactly how it works. And then we'll talk about the 5 key things you should know before using it, including the biggest point of confusion around pricing and credits, and ultimately whether or not it's actually worth paying for. So first things first, what actually is HeyGen? Well, it's an AI video generation tool that lets you generate full videos with AI agent, clone yourself with an AI avatar, translate videos into other languages, and even create fully animated characters. So instead of filming yourself and then editing the video and just, doing everything yourself manually, you're basically telling the AI what you want and then letting that handle the rest for you. But instead of just talking about it, let me jump on my computer here and show you it in action. All right, so here we are inside the HeyGen workspace. And first, you just tell the AI what you want your video to be about. So I'll do a short video about how small habits lead to big results. Then you select your avatar. So in my case, I'm going to use my AI clone I created earlier, and then hit generate. Now the HeyGen's AI agent will build the whole video for you automatically. And then once it's ready, you can jump into AI Studio and change the script, or the scenes, the visuals, the avatar, the captions, whatever you want. So you always have full control over the final video. And then you end up with something like this.
Did you know that improving by just 1% every day makes you 37 times better by the end of the year? It's the power of compounding. Small actions, when repeated, create massive results over time.
And as you can see, it actually does a pretty good job. The script, the pacing, the structure, everything's done for you. And if you want to go ahead and try it out for yourself, hit that top link in the description. You can sign up for free, test it out, and see what you think. So now let's talk about the stuff that you really only notice after you've been using HeyGen for a while. So here are the 5 things that you really should know before you start using it. So the first thing I'd say really stands out about HeyGen is just how realistic the avatars look. And the best way to see that is with the public avatars. So if you're running something like a faceless YouTube channel with educational content or training videos, marketing videos, you can literally just pick an avatar and then just start creating videos immediately. But where things get really interesting is when you actually clone yourself. So you can record just a short video of yourself talking, and HeyGen will build a digital twin, an AI version of you that can appear in your videos. So instead of filming every single time, you can generate videos using your AI clone. And again, the realism is just surprisingly good. The expressions look natural. The timing is much better than it used to be. And overall, just far more believable. And once you've created an avatar, one of the coolest things that you can do is actually create different looks for it. It's the same avatar, just completely different settings, different environments. So for example, with my avatar, I've generated different looks. Here's me talking in a home studio. Here's another version hiking in the Thai jungle. Here's my AI clone working in a restaurant kitchen, or even jet skiing somewhere in the tropics. So what this means for you is that you can create different styles of videos for different types of channels, all without filming anything ever again. And if that wasn't already impressive, HeyGen can even create fully animated Pixar-style characters or cartoon characters. So instead of using realistic avatars or an AI clone, you can create completely animated characters by yourself. So again, you give the AI an idea for the video, it generates the script, builds the scenes, and your character delivers the message. Let's take a look.
Aha! Every shadow tells a story, and this room is full of them. Let's see what secrets we can uncover today.
And you can create different looks for these characters as well. And these characters stay consistent. Different scenes, different stories, but it's still the same character every time. So just think about what you could use this for. Things like educational type channels, story-based content, kids channels, actually any kind of faceless YouTube channel. So now let's talk about the one thing about HeyGen that tends to confuse a lot of new users. And that's the pricing and credits. Because when you first look at the pricing page, it's not immediately obvious how it all works. So let's break it down. And I will add a link to this pricing page in the description, so feel free to check it out. But basically, you've got the free plan, the creator plan, which is about $29 a month or $24 if you pay yearly, and then the pro plan, which is $99 a month or around $79 a month if you pay yearly. Now, I would say the biggest difference between the two paid plans is how many premium credits you get. Because HeyGen runs on a credit system, and those credits are what power the premium AI features. So think things like generating avatar videos, AI agent videos, creating avatar looks, and translation with lip sync. So let me quickly show you the credit breakdown so you can see. So for example, for every minute of video you generate with Avatar 4, so that's your cloned avatar, it's going to use 20 credits. It's 1 credit for every new avatar look and 2 credits for every image you generate. Now on the creator plan, you get 200 credits per month, and on the pro plan, you get 2,000 credits per month. So the pro plan basically gives you 10 times more premium usage. Now to give you a very rough idea of what that actually means in real life, so think if 1 minute of avatar video costs you roughly 20 credits and you get 2,000 credits a month on the pro plan, that means you're getting around 100 minutes of avatar video each month, which for most creators is actually quite a lot. And if I just check, I click this to see my usage over here, you can see I've used 1,087 out of my 2,000 available credits so far this month. And most of that has gone into AI agent videos. Now, personally, I understand why HeyGen does it, but just generally, I'm not a huge fan of these credit systems. But what I will say is with HeyGen, I don't feel like I'm having to stress out before I, click to generate something. It's not something that I'm actually thinking about. And one good thing to know as well is you can actually buy additional credits as well if you need. So yeah, that's basically how the pricing and credit system work. So now I guess the real question is HeyGen actually worth paying for? Now, obviously HeyGen is not perfect. No AI tool is. But what I will say is that HeyGen is the best AI video tool that I've used so far. I'd say if you're creating videos regularly, maybe like a faceless YouTube channel or YouTube content, educational videos, that kind of thing, then it's absolutely worth it and you're going to save yourself a lot of time. But if you're just kind of creating content occasionally, or maybe just want to try out and you're just kind of testing out these different AI tools, maybe best to start with the free plan, try it out and then see how it fits your workflow. For me, all I know is that I'm on the pro plan and I'm definitely sticking with it. And if you want to see exactly how I use HeyGen, I'll put my full step-by-step HeyGen tutorial video right there. So click that and watch that next. And of course, if you have any questions at all about HeyGen, I use HeyGen every day. So do drop me a comment and I will do my best to help you out.